Good day, YouTubers. This is Murad Saeed. On this video, I'm going to give an update or a follow-up of my updating the air compressor system. As you can see, everything is working fine. There's a regulator, which is I got it from our 80 psi. And the only problem I have is this leak right here. And then I did hear the hissing sound. But what I'll do is I'm going to take it out, re-thread it with Teflon tape, and then stick it back. Hopefully the leak will be gone. And the next thing I don't like about this regulator is that when you try to install something, this one comes off and it drops. So I have to re-screw it back up again. So I will see what I can do about it. So maybe I'll just wrap around some Teflon tape around it and then tie it up more, and that should be okay. Otherwise, everything looks good here. There's no leak from here. All over here is okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you the reason why I installed this. The reason I put this ball valve is because it builds up condensation. So like you might have water going down here and it sits here. So the reason I put this is to drain out all the water. Like that. So like this one you gotta turn every hour or so forth of every use. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change up this gauge right here, which is I'll show you in the future. And down here there's no leaks. As you can see, works perfectly fine. Yep, no leaks whatsoever. That it's so awesome. Yep, and that's the updates. So from now, this compressor will be stationed here. And after I fix this one, that should be no more leaks. So everything will be alright. Hopefully it'll be alright. So that's an update on this system I changed. And yes, I'll be, like I say, I'll be going for 2 weeks. So there'll be no videos until I come back. I hear a hissing sound here too. Oh, there's a hissing sound right here also. So this will be addressed. Yeah, right here. So this will be fixed, and also right here. So I guess probably when I come back, I'll be fixing up these two, and then hopefully everything will be alright. If you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Alright guys, I'm back again. As you can see that I fixed here, which is I changed the Teflon tape, so it's now nice and sealed. Here was leaking also, so I tied it up more and then the leak stopped, which is good news. And then right here, I tied it up more and the leak stopped, which is very, very, very awesome. So as of now, I have a complete sealed leak. You can see the gauge stays in one place. Alright, so yep, that's a follow-up. So like again, please subscribe and have a great day.